Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. Next, I will add number 4 in here. Later that we need to minus number 4. So negative and negative, we have positive number 4. This one, that is about identities, and we put about s minus number 2, everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus number 2 equals to number 2 sine t. Because we have s, so I will put negative number 2 go to the right. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have ds. This one, if we do first derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. This one, that is about the constants, so you got number 0. This one I will put dt in here. So this one we change by this one. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. This one we have number 4 sine t square. So number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. And now we have like this. One minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. The square root of number 4 cosine t square, we have number 2 cosine t. And now we simplify number 2 cosine t on numerator and denominator. So we need to expand this one. Number 2 with number 2 and number 2 sine t. So number 4, number 4, number 3, we have 11. Number 8, number 4, we have number 12. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine t square, that is about 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. So number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. So number 2 with number 1 and cosine 2t, we have 2 minus 2 cosine 2t. Next, 11 with number 2, we have 13. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 13t. The integration of sine t, we have negative number 12 cosine t. This one, we have negative sine 2t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we have t equals to arc sine of s minus number 2 over number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.